And now we turn finally to the course schedule and rhythm for the course. The course is divided into 2 units. The first 5 weeks of the course, as you know, are divided. Will be followed by a week in between, and then we'll have the last 5 weeks. So in Unit 1, the focus is going to be on biblical and theological convictions. So we begin with introducing the course, then we'll talk about biblical themes, theological assumptions, forgiveness in the church, and then finally at the end of week 5, that's when your biblical and theological essay is due, and that's when we'll have time in class set aside, time set aside for you to engage in conversation about your video statements with one another, video statements leading to your writing of the essay. And then in Unit 2, we're going to look at the implications of forgiveness for society and the self. So here, we'll begin with forgiveness in society, then we'll look at insights into forgiveness from philosophy and psychology. Then we'll look at Wiesenthal's book on the impossibility of forgiveness, which draws on a situation related to the Holocaust. And are there times when forgiveness is in fact impossible? We'll grapple with that. And then finally, week 9 and 10 deal with your last 2 essays. So in those weeks, you're going to engage in conversation with one another about your video statements that lead to your writing of those 2 essays. And then finally, I suggest this weekly rhythm. This is the rhythm we're going to follow. So on Monday and Tuesday, you reflect on a biblical text and any third thing your peers have posted. Then I want you to do the assigned readings and watch the video lectures. Then by Wednesday at noon, post your blog. And then by Saturday at noon, have your Zoom conversation and or your written responses with one another. And if you have the Zoom conversation, make sure that you have somebody post your notes. All right, and then also I have posted supplementary resources for you to refer to. Again, if you have any questions about anything, please feel free to shoot me or DJ an email. Thanks a lot.